Hey, what's going on, Elite Owners? Today I'm going to be showing you how to find your operator's manual in a 2020 A-Class. First, you're going to hit your home button. Once you hit the home button, it's going to take you to the home area. Once out here, you're going to be using your thumb touch, and we're going to swipe to the right. We're looking for info. Once you see info, you're going to push your thumb touch button in. Once inside, we may have to swipe up to the top of the screen, but you see operator's manual in the far right corner. Once you see it, you're going to push in on your thumb touch and then push in once more. And that's how you get to the operator's manual in a 2020 A-Class.